Hymer Yellowstone 2022. Camper vans built on the Fiat Ducato chassis offer infinite flexibility, making them suitable for everyday city traffic and cross-country tours. The Hymer models with bathroom have a 4-seater layout. They are equipped with a comfortable compact bathroom with folding washbasin and fixed toilet. Also contributing to the high level of comfort in these campers is the comfort sleeping system. Fitted to all the beds with sound-absorbing, fabric-lined wall and ceiling coverings, all models are winterproof, with the appropriate optional extras and equipped with a wide range of comprehensive safety features as standard. The excellent driving comfort of a Fiat Ducato-based HYMER Camper van is complemented by an extremely comprehensive standard safety package, featuring driver and passenger airbags, ABS, TCS and ESC. Added safety and convenience are provided by electrically adjustable and heated wing mirrors, a daytime running light, hill start assist and hill descent assist. With its low average consumption, the 96 kilowatts 130 horsepower Fiat Multijet 2 engine is the epitome of sustained, fuel-efficient driving pleasure. The nippy and robust 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine complies with the Euro 6 and EEV exhaust emissions standards. It is also equipped with Lane Departure Warning System, LDWS, emits an acoustic signal alerting the driver if the vehicle strays outside the lane. Traffic Sign Recognition, TSR, system alerts the driver to road signs via an onboard display. Driver's cab seats, the captain chair-style cab seats with integrated headrests offer maximum comfort and can be rotated by 180 degrees. Multifunctional steering wheel, the radio and other connected devices can be conveniently operated via the adjustable multifunctional steering wheel. LED daytime running light. The headlights incorporating LED daytime running lights generate 40% more luminescence for improved passive safety by day. The lounge diner is created when the cab seats are swiveled to face the wall-hung table and rear, 2-person travel seat. But, unlike much of the competition, where the table can be bulky and nearly always in the way, this one folds flat to the wall when not needed. The table folds up, then out as a coffee snack surface to become a full-blown diner, and neatly demonstrating what good motorhome design should be: clever, making great use of available space and simple to operate. The kitchen is small and has just a 2-burner hob sink combo, while storage is pretty good, housed mainly in big, practical drawers. The 12-volt fridge is large too, 108 liters in a body that makes the most of the limited amount of space. The bathroom is smaller than most, and so all of its facilities are grouped in front, as you enter through its tambour door. The integral shower is a given in here, while a drop-down, storable basin is a space-saving element that helps the whole compact design succeed. The bedroom does its job well. 2 generous singles can also become a transverse double, with a clever cutaway in the middle to ease access. There's plenty of storage space above and, of course, below. It's the rising roof option that adds a touch of genius, making the Yellowstone a practical 4-berth camper in a moment. As the main living area is never impeded, the second bed becomes near invisible when not needed,